So I'm sitting here working, and look what happens. UPS choice. Package delivered. Oh my God. Monster clutch. Let's go see. I'm gonna put these on backwards. So we can put the phone right here. That's right. It's kind of ridiculous, but it's gonna work. Oh, there it is, right there. Monster clutch. Let's take this inside. 50 pounds of love. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Grab a knife, cut that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh. Look at the green. That's probably a Christmas card from Steve. I'm guessing it probably is. We'll look at that later. Look at the package. This thing is awesome. I don't even know how to get it out of here, because it's so awesome. It doesn't want to come out. This, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's heavy. It's 50 pounds. It's going to be spinning around really fast. Oh, Monster Clutch multi-disc, made in Texas. Woo! All right, so I got to tell you, this is an LS3, LS7 style clutch, but he custom made a flywheel that's going to work on a small block Ford setup with a T56 QuickTime bell housing. So I will keep you posted, but look, it's like jewelry. That's what it is. This is like man jewelry. Christmas card, most likely. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's stickers. There are stickers. That's the most important part. It's not the clutch that makes it go any faster, it's the stickers. Let's see. Monster clutch. In an effort to reduce paper waste, we've moved our installation tips to our website. Awesome. Very environmental. I like that. Okay. And oh my goodness. Yes. We have little green monsters everywhere. I like it.